Hi, so today's video is again another shoe review. I'm going to reviewing these sneakers that I got from Zalando, and it is actually the first time I'm going to reviewing sneakers by Adidas. You know, in the past I did only Nike reviews, but yeah, finally I have Adidas. But before I start this video, then make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy this video, and yeah, thanks for watching. So the shoe that I got today is the Adidas Forum Low in the white slash dim college purple and slash bright gold colorway in the size US 5, which is 36. And these are actually exclusive ones, so right now you can get these from Zalando in a very affordable price, around 100 euro. And of course you can get these in other colorways like white and green, and also black and white and red, I guess. And of course you can get the original high top version of these sneakers. So these shoes came in this classic nice Adidas box, blue and white. Oh, now let's see the shoes. And wow, a really dope shoe. This looks really nice. I'm very impressed with this shoe. So here is the very famous iconic basketball sneakers by Adidas from the 90s in the low version. I think they are looks very top. It's basically a white shoe with a purple and a little bit of yellow color combination, and I really like it. The midsole is got this creamy white color, so it's not the same white as on the shoe, and it just gives a very like a vintage vibe. And the bottom sole is a very nice deep purple color. You know, I like a purple color. And inside the shoe is also purple with this very nice material. It's very it's like a towel material or something like that. I really feel the quality on these. Like Adidas never can disappoint me with quality, and yeah, I am very impressed. Everything is just very nice, very detailed, and it's also got these removable velcro. Honestly, I am not really a big fan of velcro on shoes, and I just really don't like them. But I know Adidas like to use these velcros on shoes, but I don't really like them. But right now with this style, I think it's not that bad. I think it just adds a little bit of character to the shoe, and it also gives like a vintage vibe. And also you can remove the velcro if you don't like it, and I think I am going to remove it, but maybe sometimes I will wear it. And inside the shoe is all purple with the white branding. And yeah, what do you think? This looks better with velcro or without velcro? Let me know what do you think. I think it looks nice without the velcro, I think. And yeah, and here it's got a different material. It's more like I don't know, it's with it's not a leather, it's like a plasticky or this type of material. I don't know, I have no idea. It's got a white, and it's got this white lace. I think white is perfect for this combination. And like I said, I really like this color on the midsole, because it just really gives a very vintage vibe, and it's not just all white, it has a, you know, like a unique character. And yeah, I am really happy with these shoes. So now let's talk about how they feels like on feet. Of course, I'm going to show you also how they look like on feet. I already tried them on feet, and as I said before, I got them in the 36, but they feels more smaller than 36, and I would say definitely go size up with these, because these are feels more smaller inside. From outside this looks like my size or the 36, but for some reason when I try them on they feels very tight. But usually I always size up with shoes, so yeah, I personally I like if it feels like a little bit looser, and then I can also wear like a thicker socks with the shoes. And the reason why I got these shoes, because I do not really have so many sneakers by Adidas, and in the past I did not really like so many models from Adidas, so that's why I do not have so many Adidas shoes. And one of my favorite shoes right now that I like to wear is the Dunks that I got last time, and of course I have a review on these. Make sure to check out this video. But for some reason to me Adidas is always more comfortable than Nike shoes, and it's like same like Reeboks is one of my favorite shoes when it comes to like comfortability. So now I'm going to show you how this looks like on feet, and I also wanted to show you how I would style them. So yeah.
Much clientele, then we bail till it's silent. See what bitches doing tonight. High as a kite, watch your step, lips tight. Roaming through the door, cold, breathe the snow as we stroll. Hoping nobody's scoping me. Watch out for these.
So yeah, that's it for this video, and let me know what do you think about these sneakers. I really like them, and I am so happy I have these in my collection, and definitely a must have from Adidas. And yeah, and if you have any other question, then please let me know, or if you have any other video request, then please let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, thanks for watching and see you in another one.